Today I'm making potato tahiri for you. It's also known as a potato rice, which is very delicious, very simple to make. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today the recipe that I'm gonna share with you is, it's known as aloo tahiri, right? So I have used couple of masalas here. I have used one bay leaf. This is a bay leaf. I have added a cinnamon stick. I have added few peppercorns, cumin seeds, and that's all. And one a big cardamom, big black cardamom. This is right here. So I'll show you what's next. I have added the spices in it. I have added chili powder and turmeric, and I have also added 1 teaspoon of salt into this. I'm going to let it simmer in water. I have also included half cup water because I want the spices to blend in and the raw smell should disappear. So I'm just letting it boil for 5 minutes and then I'll show you. Then I will put in the potatoes. Added in the potatoes after I cooked the masala for a few minutes. I added in the potatoes and I let the potatoes cook for a few minutes or so, and now I'm going to add water to it, nearly 2.5 cups, so that the potatoes can get cooked in it. I'm going to add these potatoes and I'm going to cover it so that the potatoes can get done, and I'll show you what next. You can see that I have given good 10 to 15 minutes for this potatoes to get done, and now at this moment of time I'm adding the rice. Okay, and I'm going to add all the rice in. Still have it in my bowl. I'm going to add the rice, mix it all up in this curry, and I'll put 2.5 cups of water. Okay, because of course you want the rice to get cooked. So I'll show you what you can see. You can't see the rice at all because it's all mixed inside this water. I have added 2.5 cups of water, and I'm going to let it simmer. I'm going to put a lid on top of this lid and show you. You can see that the water is all dried up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it with the lid, and I'm going to put the heat very slow so that I can just steam the rice now for a few, till I get the smoke starts coming out. I'm just going to give it a steam for few minutes till I feel that the rice is properly done. Okay, I want to show you that my potato rice or potato tahiri is absolutely ready. I have also served myself, and this is such a simple and easy dish for you to make. It comes out delicious. It's made with spices that are not in powder form. It's whole spices which I have used to make this delicious recipe. You can make it for your lunch, dinner, brunch, whatever you think is good, with a steak, or you can serve this as a side dish. It's amazing. It's so delicious. This is what it's basically looks like. It's so tempting at the same time, and I hope that you will make this recipe and share your comments with me. And please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Your feedback is very important for me, and do tell me what else would you like me to make. The ingredients in the recipe will all be shared in the description bar with you, so that you can not miss out anything, guys. Have a good day, and keep cooking and keep eating. Have a healthy lifestyle, and keep me in your prayers, guys.